In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most out of Google Keep, a versatile, cloud-based app that allows you to capture and organize your thoughts, reminders, and much more. Whether you're a seasoned user or a complete newcomer, this guide will walk you through the basic steps of using Google Keep to stay organized and productive. Let's start by going to the Google Keep website. You can access it by simply entering the URL keep.google.com in your web browser. Once the page has loaded, you'll be greeted with Google Keep's straightforward and user-friendly interface. Don't be overwhelmed by the minimalist design. It's intended to make your note-taking experience as simple and efficient as possible. At the heart of Google Keep's functionality is the Take a Note bar, located conveniently in the middle of the page. Here you can begin jotting down your thoughts, ideas, or anything else that comes to mind with just a click. Simply click on the bar and it will expand, giving you the freedom to start typing. This space is not just limited to text either. You can also insert photos, change colors to differentiate your notes, and even add collaborators. This makes Google Keep a powerful tool for collaboration and creativity, perfect for team projects or just sharing to-do lists with family and friends. Beyond creating notes, Google Keep offers the handy feature of setting reminders. Ideal for those with busy schedules, these reminders can be time-based or location-based, ensuring you never miss a task, whether you're at home or on the go. Moreover, Google Keep's integration with Google Assistant makes it easier to set reminders using voice commands, a real-time saver for those days when you're rushing out the door. One of Google Keep's best features is its ability to help you organize your notes effortlessly. By clicking on the three dots at the bottom right corner of any note, you can edit labels, allowing you to categorize notes by topics like work, personal, or ideas. This label system works much like folders, letting you manage and access your notes quickly. Finally, it's worth noting that Google Keep automatically syncs across all your devices. This means that a note you make on your phone while commuting will be waiting for you on your laptop when you get home. It's seamless, efficient, and ensures your information is always at your fingertips. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can fully utilize Google Keep to capture your thoughts, stay organized, and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Whether you're planning your next big project or just need a space to track your grocery list, Google Keep is the perfect companion. Happy note-taking!